Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great pickup truck in our collection. A pre-owned 2006 Toyota Tacoma. This Toyota is powered by rear-wheel drive i4 engine, automatic transmission, and has 156,793 miles. Upgrade your drive with this reliable 2006 Toyota Tacoma. Perfect for adventures and everyday errands, it combines durability with style. Don't miss out on this great deal, your next journey starts here. Contact us today for a test drive. This pre-owned Tacoma comes with many comfort and luxury, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Safety was put first by the following features: tire pressure monitoring system, ABS brakes. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.